What's up guys, I just bought a new phone recently, the Oppo X5 Lite, and Oppo was running a promotion where I got a gift pack, and that just came in a couple days after the phone, so I thought it'd be a fun idea to do a little unboxing of that, see what's in it. Okay, open it up. Didn't want to dox myself, so won't be showing the label. First thing, let's start on the right here. We got the Oppo X5 Lite protective case. Let me just whoa. Okay, took it out the packaging. Nice black and very clean. I do like the feel of it more than the standard free clear rubber case that came with it. So I'm definitely gonna be using this one. This one is the one you got by default, just with the Oppo phone, and this one is the one I got with the gift bag, and I definitely like the gift bag one more. Still, it's a little bit heavier. I think it's a little bit more sturdy. Like the sides are a bit tougher. Still slightly raised so the camera shouldn't touch the ground. And I think it's just I think the black look is a lot nicer than the plastic one. I think this one looks a bit better. This one looks a bit cheaper. Definitely gonna be using this one for now on. Next up in our goodie box is the Oppo Band. It's a sports watch. Let's look at this. AMOLED screen, heart rate monitoring, water resistance. So yeah, gonna be. I've wanted one of these for a while, or at least something like this, something like a Fitbit or a sport watch. So when I saw this promotion, I was pretty hyped. Okay, managed to open it up. Let's... Oppo Band, quick start guide, safety guide. That's all fine. This is charging cable, useful but not right now. This is the main thing we want to see. Oppo Band here. It's got the little peel thing on it. Let's see if we can take that off. Yeah, stuck to my finger. So yeah, here is the Oppo Band. It is on my wrist. Not sure if I need to charge it still, but I'll figure it out by myself. You know, it's pretty small. It's also, that means it's not really, not really in the way. I do like it. Not sure if I'm going to be wearing this just casual, but I will be wearing this when working out. So looking forward to trying that out. And the last but not least, got a brand new pair of wireless earbuds, the Oppo Enco. True wireless noise cancelling earbuds. Depersonalized ANC. Co-tuned with Dynaudio, transparency mode, noise cancelling, Bluetooth, and up to 30 hertz music, 30 hours of music playtime. 30 hours, ooh, that's really nice. I currently have JBL Endurance Sprints. I think they're really good for working out because they never fall out, but they only have an 8-hour battery life. So using 30-hour ones is very nice, especially when going on more trips. So let's get these out the box. Shake it out. There we go. Comes in a nice little case. Little egg, sound music egg. This little plastic stuff. Almost like this, and these two are in here like that. Okay. Let's try them on. Okay, what do you think? Looking fancy. I'll try out how they sound. Here's the earbuds stuck in my ear steady, like I can shake around and they don't fall out. So that's always very important with wireless earbuds. They sound very nice, definitely better than the JBL pair I have right now for working out. I'll still have to decide, if I'm going to be wearing these just regular and going on trips, or if I'm going to wear this when working out as well, and when I'm going to be moving around a bit. I'll have to test them out a bit more. But so far, they seem very nice. We still got some things under here, I believe. Got like different sizes. I'll try those out, see if they fit better. But I think the medium ones are fine. And then we got charging cable. Doing this one-handed hard. There's the short little USB-C one. Always useful to have more of those. But yeah, I like the case. That's gonna fit nicely in my pocket if I wanna carry these with me. So there you have it, my Oppo gift bag. I'll have to try out the watch, see how I like it, see how well it works. I do like having the extra data, the extra heart rate monitoring. Gonna be good for counting my calories. Loving the earbuds. I haven't had one like these before with a charging case and stuff like that, so that's gonna be very nice. A nice pair of high-end earbuds, and of course a nice little bonus with the case. That's gonna be better than the one I had. So that's overall, I'm very happy with it. What do you guys think? Have you guys tried the Oppo products? What do you think about the brand? And so yeah, there you have it. Quick little unboxing video of my Oppo gift box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it. It's a bit hard because I don't have a tripod yet. I'm looking into getting like a gimbal and doing stuff with that. But that's still something I need to research more and find a decent price for. Because camera equipment is expensive. It's been your boy Ruben. I'm out. See you later.